or die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you maybe know from my previous videos, a few days ago arrived here in my listening room. Oh, arrived. It was the case when I must sit in my car and drive about 100 miles per highway for audio, or for me incredible, interesting and nice old audio components from 70s. It was the stereo amplifier, do-it-yourself stereo amplifier Transtiva TW40 Junior, then do-it-yourself turntable SG80 Junior, this for me incredible nice Tesla stereo tuner ST-100, also from the early 70s, produced from the year 1972 up to 1974 by Tesla Bratislava, as you could see from the back printed text. So up to now nothing done with this tuner, only little refurbished the wooden surface, and it's more than 50 years old. We have now 2025, so it can be 50, 51, 52, 53 years old, and the wooden surface, it looks like new one after more than 50 years for me. Incredible. I love the old components in wooden cabinets. So let's try it. I see that there will be there is technical problem. The tuning is a little stuck. Oh, was stuck. It moves. Ah, stopped here. So it will be maybe a problem to tune something if it will be in working condition, because here is OERT, the spelling, English spelling is for me difficult, but CCIR started from here to the right, and it doesn't move to the right, so maybe I will have to open it and help by hand. So let's try it. And as it is usual, all these devices are for sale, and in this case I must say, without the power, this is any other, without the power cable, because the old power cables with this bakelite connectors, I have only few pieces and only for testing. So this is the bigger one, it's ready here. And I need to find a smaller one. It's here in front of my listening room. Moment. Yes, this is the smaller one. I must say I have only 1, 2, maybe 3 pieces. So if I sell such old devices with these connectors, I cannot put it to them. I must have here these connectors for my purposes. So let's try it. We'll see what happens. If there will be any reaction, I will connect also the mixer, amplifier, speakers, and we'll see, and also the antenna. Aha, German sockets. It's impossible, but I have Czech sockets here. So connect it into the electricity. Power button. The light is on. I don't know if you can see it, but what I must say, it's like a miracle that the front, I can say display, plastic, is here totally transparent. Usually it's milky, because if it lies anywhere in living room near to the windows, from the UV sunshine, the plastic starts to be milky. So I can say 90-95%, maybe more, maybe 99% of such devices with plastic display, the display is milky, but this is totally transparent, totally clear. It's like a miracle for me. So let's try to connect some antenna. I will use this old one. This is from Grundig, old West German antenna. Okay, and some cable. So cable connected. You hear the sound from the speakers, but this is the OIRT. So I have to open it and help my hand some moment. So, dear friends, as you can see, I cannot do any radio broadcasting, radio station. Also, as I move with hand, it goes back with this knob, but on this direction. So tuner needs service, but all lights, I think I can say all lights are on. So happens after 50 years. What can we waiting? So, dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So, have a nice day.